All right, next part, quick view here. It's February 27th, Tuesday afternoon, 2024 CE. And the drawing is a memorial portrait for tolerance in human rights and Holocaust genocide education. Hannah Senesh is coming along here. We got the chicken. She took care of chickens in a moshal, like a kibbutz, in Palestine. That was pre-state Israel. And I just kind of did some light line work with a bamboo pen here for the jacket she was wearing, and kind of collar and stuff. And also did some more in the hair there. And then last thing I did, I drew the first of 3 allegorical sea monsters, the outlines of them, teeth, eyes, and shape. All right, to be continued. I hear some feedback over there. Feedback, it's B-O-K. That's a friend who has a cockatiel says bach, like that's what birds say. Think of like crows, for example, ravens, blackbirds, parakeets, and cockatiels. All right, there you have it, to be continued. So once I get those done, then I've still got a couple more sections to do here. All right, to be continued. Stay tuned. Thank you. Dziękuję. Toda. Shukran, etc., etc.